Oh, hey, come on in. What's up, everybody? It's Katie here, and welcome to Cocktails with Katie. No, I'm just kidding. Welcome back to my kitchen. But for real, we're making one of my favorite cocktails in this episode, and it's new for me. I feel like I just discovered gin, but truly, I kind of did. I've been a tequila drinker for my whole life. No, ever since I was 21. But I've really just discovered gin and really into an Eastside Cocktail. And I have a funny feeling it's gonna be my cocktail of the summer. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. It is so refreshing and delicious. And it's simple. So I'm first gonna come in here and just make a few cucumber slices. And I just love any cocktail with cucumber. So I'm gonna do about 5 half-inch cucumber slices. And if you do see this shaker and it says Lakers, go Warriors. And I'm not a Lakers fan. My dad just got gifted it. So I took it. It was one of his Christmas presents and he didn't want it, so I took it. Anyways, they did gift a gorgeous bartender set. So I'm gonna use the muddler. It also says Lakers, but we're gonna cover that up. And I'm gonna come in here and muddle the cucumber. Perfect. Then I'm gonna toss in a few mint leaves as well. Probably like 2 tablespoons of hacked mint leaves. And goodness, if you could smell this through the screen, you would be inspired to make this Eastside cocktail. And I'm gonna muddle it right there again. Perfect. Now we are going to open up my fresh Hendrick's gin. And by the way, I say I'm kind of new to gin, but my husband, Lane, is obsessed with gin. He's been on the gin game for years. I'm making 2 Eastsides, so I'm gonna do 4 ounces of gin. And because I'm a mixologist today, I'm actually using real ounces, not just a shot glass. I'm gonna roll out this lime before I squeeze it. It's always just a great way to get the juices out and get them going before you slice it. Now, it's about, I would say, 1.5 ounces of lime juice. So I'm just gonna try my best to get it in there. I'm like out of breath from squeezing that lime. Gotta get to the gym. Lastly, we have some simple syrup and another 1.5 ounces. I'm just doing slightly less because I don't like it as sugary. So I'm gonna do just a little bit over 1 ounce and some ice. Perfect. And now we shake it on up. Already smells delicious. Looks perfect. I love this thing, by the way. I'm just gonna put it on in there and hope this turns out like my favorite restaurant. Ooh, gorge. Come on, baby, make 2. Okay. They look so good. And I know you're not really supposed to do this, but I kind of like the ice and everything muddled in there. So I'm just gonna kind of do, you can also skip a step. I know this is not how you make an Eastside, but I just love all the stuff inside of it as well. Perfect. You can also, of course, if you wanna toss in some extra fresh mint on top. Okay, and then I wanna try something. And I don't know if it's gonna work, but this is what we're doing on here on Come On In. We're just trying new things on camera. They're perfect as is. Have you ever seen the garnishes that take just like a thin cucumber like this and you kind of just put it through? You know what I mean though? That could be cute. Yay. Of course, this is kind of like a silly step and you don't need to do it, but why not? Just an easy way to make it look like you put in a lot of effort. Because you did. All right, you guys, cheers. Sip for you, sip for me. Oh my God. That is so good, so refreshing. The drink of the summer. You heard it here first. I love the mint, I love the cucumber. Honestly, if you're not a gin drinker, I totally get it, but just try this drink and let me know what you think. I love you guys, and I will see you next week for a new episode of Come On In. Mwah.